know where we are. Basalt Knob South. Jack's just been told off for messing around on the radio, quite rightly. So I haven't filmed the whole of this track because it's quite boring in places. Like, I even went into high for some of it. Easy, but this is the last bit, dropping down into Talbotville.
Yeah, I've got a copy. We're just coming down Basalt Knob South.
So Ali tells me there's some shaly, horrible, rock steppy bluffs coming.
That was probably it, what you just went through.
No, this is... I don't want to get too close to you, Ali.
Oh, I can see the campsite down there.
Can you?
Yeah. What was the place? Yeah. From here.
Oh, okay, I gotta concentrate here, buddy. Just let me concentrate.
Do we have to cross a river?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is quite steep.
This is quite
Oh, I
steep.
wouldn't say. Like, I'm dreading the bit that Ali's talking about with rock steps. Oh, I might just put a little bit of breakage on that.
We're almost
I
at
don't want to get too close to Ali. Oh,
Oh
there's that
my
big hole there.
God.
Guys, I'm just letting it walk down and picking a line. There's a few little rocky ledges, but and just dabbing your brakes every now and again if you want to slow down.
Is that our brakes or is that the car?
That's the car. I got my downhill ascent control on.
Show off.
Because it's so dusty, like, I think I could probably do this in first, low, without downhill ascent control, but the dust is just making everything slip and slide, so I figure we will just put that on.
My gosh, car.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good.
Be quiet. Jeez.
But it does the business when it's just a bit too much movement. That switchback as well. Just means that when we get to the bottom, we'll probably have to just let the brakes have a bit of a rest. I don't know this next bit, especially when there's no whoopsies. It's what does that look like down there, buddy? You can see.
A whoopsie, and a whoopsie, and a whoopsie. 3 whoopsies.
Right, so I could probably do this without the downhill ascent control on, but we'll just leave it on for this bit. What are we on? Let's get rid of it. Doesn't want to turn off. There we go. See, first goes a little bit quicker, but this is all pretty smooth now. Oh, there's Talbotville.
I told you. What, that little campsite is called Talbotville?
Yeah. Okay, that was alright. Wonder if that's the worst bit. I don't think that's the worst bit.
I think that's the worst bit.
Are we going to Talbotville?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My ears need to pop.
Because it is a campsite. Talbotville is a campsite.
Never mind. Don't like it when you can't see over anything. What am I driving into? Okay, this is alright. This is alright. Have a look. That looks alright too. We're getting there. This is alright. That's fine. Have we done the bad bit yet, Ali?
No.
No? What do you mean, no?
Ah!
Look, I haven't been down here for about 3 years. They might have graded it and changed, so...
Okay.
Darren's dog might be about taller than you, because we've been doing this
Anyway,
track.
like, where does the track go?
When that's the dog will just be hitting itself on the back.
There.
See?
Where does the track go? I cannot see it. I
Not
don't-
really any worse than what that was. It's just a bit longer.
Okay, that's alright.
I think that was a bad bit.
No, Ali must be on another bit. Down, further down. She can go a bit faster than me in low range, I think.
I'm holding on.
That low one is really slow.
Now you're in 2, right?
I'm in drive now.
What?
Let's just drop it down into third. Look, the road disappears. I need my ears to pop. Oh, there we go. A bit anyway. Into third.
My ears just popped.
Good day.
Yeah. When you yawn.
Yes, gotta open your mouth really wide. And change the air pressure in your ears. What game am I in? 2. Here we go.
Now it's like I can hear every single sound. But okay.
Okay, what are we in?
We're getting close.
Might just drop this down into one here.
If you can see the campsite, that's where we're camping.
Yeah, I mean, look, we're pretty much camping there, so you know we're nearly there. We just got to get down this hill and not die. We're not gonna.
If we don't die, then if we do die, then this video will not come out.
They would use it as evidence of my horrendous driving if we died.
Then it will come out.
Oh God, I'm not going down there. Jesus.
Go down there. Ellie went down there.
She didn't. You went round the switchback, didn't you, Ali?
Yes, I did. Yes, go follow the main drag round.
Jack was giving you proper bonus points then. He was like, Ali went down there.
I went down there.
Tell Jack to go down there.
No, Jack's not going to want to go down there.
Tell Frank to go down there.
A couple of little patch holes, but nothing serious.
Come on, car. Right, I can turn this off until we get to that bit.
Nothing serious. I'd fall over like 15 times walking down that.
What, this little bendy bit? Okay, I'll turn that back on. Here we go. This is the worst of it. Apparently.
Currently.
Apparently.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I can see why you'd probably say this is the worst bit. There's no real whoopsies to kind of stop on, and you're on a bend at the bottom. Oh yeah, look, it's really dug up here. Okay, let's have a think. Oh, seatbelt, what are you doing? Trying to stop me? I'm gonna go up high, I think. I'm gonna get that in the middle. concentrate around this corner. The last thing I want to do. Oh shit.
Is drive around the corner.
Just put my foot on the brake, and I've just put my foot on the brake. Get your foot off the brake.
Take your foot off the way.
Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good. I think this would be easier to drive up.
Yeah, probably would.
I don't know, it's the kind of uncontrollable falling downhill that's the scary bit. Yeah, this is the end of it. This last bit here, I reckon. Good job. That was not like... I don't think that was as bad as what I thought it would be.
Oh my god, look at all the whoopsies!
That's good.
You can see like 4 whoopsies.
Right, what can we do? We can turn that off. Thank you. Let me just have one. Are you down to the stream yet, Ali?
No, I've just stopped. I'm just waiting for you lot to catch up a bit.
Because we're so slow.
Yeah, because I drive like a snail. Oh, there she is. I can see her.
That's why our videos are an hour long. What?
Yeah, like if you wanted to camp, you could just camp there. It's no big deal.
Why wouldn't you just use that part?
What's going on here? What gear am I in? Let's give out some space.
Don't go to one.
Look at that track at there. I think that's what we go out on when we go home tomorrow.
Oh
No, that's actually a normal track. It's not like what we're on now.
no. Whew. Normal tarmac.
No, okay. Take that back. It's a dirt road. It's a dirt track, but it's like what we drove on up to Blue Rag today. Yeah, it's not like this. It's not going to be 15 k's
We
an
drove
hour.
up to Blue Rag on tarmac.
Termite. Tarmac.
Tarmac.
Wally.
Or maybe he doesn't know how to say it.
Well, he does now.
Tarmac.
Oh, beautiful.
What?
Look at this big hole. I need to concentrate. Last thing I want to do, oh God, is get my tyres in there.
Just stayed on top of those little ruddy bits. They're not very steep, so.
The first thing I want to do is go through the
Ever since
river.
watching Damien roll his car over, I'm a little bit, when it comes to kind of ruts that could make me roll over.
Luckily they're only shallow runs. Practice for your wheel alignment.
Yeah, I remember you telling me, you know, go on the little sleeping policeman on the freeway so you can see where your roads are in relation to like your bull bars.
What we're doing on the way down.
Robbie.
I think we are at the bottom. I think this is Crooked River. This is Crooked River, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, high five! Oh, that was terrible. That was terrible.
Because I'm so tired.
Oh, my ears!
What?
What?
Do your ears not
We'll have
hurt?
to wait for the others to catch up.
Oh, there we go. High five. We did it. Come on.
Bye with me.
Oh. Yes!
Fine. Wait a minute.
We did it. Boom.